Okay, so I'm back up here in the attic to check if the squirrel's out. I went downstairs, or to the house I mean, and then I waited patiently by the wall and listened to see if he was climbing out, and I could hear some gentle tugs on the rope, and I'm pretty sure he climbed out, so I'm just gonna check. Ow. I was waiting and I got kind of bored, so I had a few beers, but it may have been a bad idea because I keep hitting my head, but at the same time it doesn't hurt as much, so maybe it's okay. Alright, gotta climb down here. I can't actually see down the wall without the use of this. I'm actually on my cell phone videoing this. I can't see down the wall without it because there's the angle where the thing is, so I actually need the camera to look down. So, you know, grateful for modern technology and Alexander Graham Bell guy for inventing cell phones with cameras. Just get this light down here. Oh yeah, I gotta zoom in. I need two hands to do that. Okay, let's try this. Oh my goodness. I think he's gone. I think he got out. I don't see him. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Well, this is great news. This is such great news. Oh, man, am I relieved. Huge weight off my shoulders here. I just feel like so happy for nature. Oh, man. You know, I don't know if it's the insulation in my eyes here, but whew. Oh, this feels good. I just hope that the squirrel is out now, visiting his friends, and he's down there for a while. They're probably really worried about him, you know. Oh, man. I really hope that no other squirrels go down there. I mean, I guess I could leave this rope, but maybe I should put up a sign or something, or like a guardrail. Danger, watch out for the big opening. There's one here too. Oh my goodness, this is a dangerous place for squirrels. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm just so glad he's out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.